I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on the application for Bit TV. We click on settings. Here in this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, we click on our Bit TV. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we click on Play Store and you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your